Check it, I grew up a fucking screw up. Got introduced to the boost through a ride and fucking blew up. So today I plan on getting the rest of the, well, hopefully, I don't have that much time today, but I plan on getting the rest of the wires unhooked. I'll probably leave the clutch line till the last thing. And then there's the two lines that run to the heater core. I need to pull those. This one vacuum line, as I said, the last one. And then just like I said, all the electrical lines, all the electrical connectors that are still hooked up. And I think that's it really. So I'm gonna get into that. I can't really see where the heater core lines are. I'm trying to find my flashlight, but I don't know where that's at. So I might start. Actually, the heater core lines don't look too bad. I'm probably just take the intake off, or this pipe, and I'll take the pipe that goes to the throttle body off as well, just to get that out of the way. So I'm gonna get started. I just took the AC compressor off, the alternator off, and I unhooked a bunch of the wires from the front of the engine. I'm going to pull those through now, see where I'm at. So right now I'm working on pulling in the main harness right here, I guess. I feel like I'm pretty close to being done pulling this, but we'll see, I guess. Oh, that's so simple. Fucking harness like that. Just get this out of here. I'm so fucking stupid. Damn, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I think I only have one more connector left, dude. I'm fucking hyped. Oh, yes. Tight. Have you seen this shit yet? Woohoo! Oh, shit. Own spot, like, you know how they branch off? Yeah. I didn't label anything because they all go a certain direction, so yeah. I feel like they can only go one way. But I guess I'll find out when I put this bitch back if it goes one way. I'm on the last thing, man. I'm fucking hyped.
You turn your key and it opens up the hatch. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Pretty much. I'm on the last coolant line. don't really know what angle to attack this at. Oh, there it is. I'm going to take this off first. Alright, that's it. It's only taken me about maybe like 8 hours in total to get everything ready to come off the motor so I can just pull straight out the front. All that's left now is just to pull the trans mount, the engine mount, and lift this thing up, pull it out. So we just got the engine hoist and the engine hoist, the load leveler, and the engine stand. So we're gonna pull the motor today, and then in the next video, we're gonna start with the teardown. But all this shit we have, that's heavy as fuck.
Hey, I'm hooked.
We'll find out if you are. Hold on, we're about to see him crush his toes. This one going viral.
Hold this one then.
I got it. I don't got it.
Got it.
Alright, so we got the engine crane hooked up, or set up. We've got the engine stand set up. We're going to open the box with the load leveler. We're going to check the hydraulics on this one, and I think we're ready to pull the engine out. Alright, I'm going to pull this clutch line. Why did we use clutch fluid everywhere? I would have taken this off a long time ago if I thought it was going to be alright.
No, boy.
Where do I stick it? It's gonna go too high. We're gonna have to take the fucking...
Maybe alright.
Alright. Let's fucking see. Because this could go bad, I think. Asshole. Dude, everything's fucking falling apart. Alright, let's see what happens. Jack this up, man. I think I'm about to fucking strip this.
Right there?
I think I fucked that one. 2 for 2, buddy. 2 for fucking 2.
Not even 1 out of 2. 2 for 2.
I should just take it off there.
No, you put shit everywhere, man.
It's alright.
It'll be alright.
Watch your fucking feet in case this shit falls.
That rock was in the way?
Yeah. Yeah, we're
There you
good. Ready? Last bolt.
Is that the drivetrain?
Yeah. Been
It's touching right here already.
Good thing we moved our feet.
I don't know what the fuck is leaking over there.
Coolant.
It's out.
I need you clear over here.
Motherfucker, you did the business worker here?
Clear.
Come on, Bato.
It's heavy.
Use yourself a rodilla and fucking.
No, I just don't want shit hooked up.
Yeah,
Catching no shit.
it could get really expensive real quick.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Let me go.
Pull it out towards you.
That's what she said, and then I didn't.
Then Riley came in.
Boy, look at that shit.
Oh
Hey,
shit!
why are you fucking on my belt over there, Alejandro?
I shit is fucked up already, so what are you worried about?
Dude, this shit's heavy.
You got bigger
Yeah.
problems than that. Oh, I didn't know you got that fluid, whatever that shit's called.
What?
This one? I didn't know you had
Fluid
that.
amber, dude.
Look at
I
that.
put bullshit.
Alright, let me.
Turbo looks fine on this side.
Does?
No exhaust side?
No shaft play.
No shaft play?
No shafters.
No birdies in there?
Here's the diverter. Alejandro. It's the
Hey,
low.
move your forehead, bro.
Why has it got that thing on it though?
What thing?
Looks like it was grazed by something, right, Richard?
No, this right here? This
Yeah.
little.
Hey,
Nah,
go
that's
grab a bucket real quick.
All right, let me, what y'all, I want to see this hole real quick right here. Can you see that, guys?
Yeah, I already snapped that shit.
I was like, damn, I hope that shit didn't come off the fucking.
All right, how's the intake side? We good, yo. Turbo ain't fucked up.
Dude, look
What's
at
up?
this bitch. This shit's barely hanging on for life right here. This shit's all bent up. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. The next video, we're gonna be pulling the trans, breaking the engine down. I think we're about to go to the dump right now and clear out some trash. And I'm gonna see if Mario will be so kind to go get my table so we can set it up, since I can't carry that big ass thing in no car I own.
Okay.
Yeah!
We got all of us right now here, so.
Oh, it's just a plastic table, so it's no big deal.
Stay tuned for the next episode of